go.
Well, you might be wondering where this beautiful and very humble couple came from. Back in 2019, we spent the year building out our schoolie. After the build was done, we sold our house and traveled for a full year. Following that year of travel, we started to crave building again and getting something 4x4. Do you want it down?
Yeah. All right. So basically, be careful.
Honey!
It was like a slingshot.
Okay, just call out. I know he almost died.
Alright, let it
I'm
down.
so worried about him.
He said, "Ah!"
He's okay. That was scary. Oh, that was scary. Is this the issue?
Yes.
Oh.
Turn it this
This
side.
is almost like you need to just grind it down until it.
Yeah.
What you thinking, babe?
Which way to do it?
Are we pulling it all the way out?
Yeah. Okay, slide back.
Back in Dexter's laboratory. Hopefully this will end soon because Dexter's laboratory is not very fun. I guess Dexter's kill room, not laboratory. Wrong show. Anyways, I need to scrape and prep this, and then we're going to be putting wood on the roof to prep for our upper head cabinets. Well, that's what Lance told me, so gonna get it ready for him.
I'm a CrossFit fiend.
Holy floppy jopalaka. Around. Good way to hurt the old back. Come my way.
Oh, this is hot.
Push that over. I'm trying to decide whether it's pinched or if it's just. Needs to come back. Maybe it's just. There it is. Just need a little persuasion.
So now you just need to make the bars that go in between. Well, for the last 20 minutes, probably the last like hour, I've been trying to sand off all of this felt that's still on there. We need to put on supports and, you know, just finish prepping it up.
I need you to crawl under and push up. I'll start the generator and we'll you'll hold up a corner, I'll tack it, hold up somewhere else, tack, and we'll just go down the line. And then you'll do this corner. Okay, hold it there. Okay, let go. I need to do a little grinding one side. Hey there, I'm grinding in a different spot. Alright, push yours up. Okay, down. I'm gonna tack this corner in. Can you push the other side up?
Let me interrupt your viewing for a brief moment. Only 40.8% of our viewers are subscribers. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe. It's free support. It truly helps us be valued creators on YouTube if more of our viewers subscribe. So if you like this content and you want to see more and you want to just help us out for free, hit subscribe. Okay, enjoy the video.
So I was thinking if it's gonna rain, maybe since we have the floor on, we can go watch movies.
I would totally get down for that, especially if it has a Friday night. Hank! Enough cat shit! Come here! Nuh-uh-uh! Come here! Be good boy! Come here! Nothing like lifting something heavy to start off the morning, huh? Nope.
Nothing like a strong, independent woman.
Falling.
Is that what this is? I thought it was snow.
No, it's ash.
Good. That thing's freaking annoying, huh?
Have you used this yet?
I don't know where ours is. That was just one I grabbed out of the bin.
I also think I missed the warmth.
Never happy, huh?
I can't wait to get to the cold. I just miss it so much.
Yeah, so the idea is we'll fiberglass these in, and then whenever we go to screw up cabinets, we can just screw right into them.
Why are we fiberglassing them? Just so it holds them without the glue?
Yeah, because it is the glue, so we don't have screws sticking out on the backside. Make sure that'll wrap around.
It does. I just measured. It's a little bigger, but
Make it bigger.
Make it even bigger?
Well, it's gotta glue to the fiberglass. We're not just gluing it to the wood.
Hey Lance, I'm having a big issue with these corners. Are you going to be able to do it like this? It's just, do you see how these corners?
Just more. This is difficult. Hey, hun, these next ones, let's cut it so it goes like here, up, and then stops. So just this. So just that, just that.
Just let it fall onto your right arm and then pick it up.
Lift with your back, right?
Good lifting skills, honey.
Okay, stop for a second, stop.
Good? Go.
Right. We have approximately 24 hours till light snowfall and 48 hours to a full day of snow. So we're trying to get this roof possibly on, but at least pretty much finished.
Probably want to do like 20.
Oh, okay, so 20 is actually up here? Okay. Because we're going to take that wood off.
Yeah, but a battery's here.
It can't go here. We can't find a water tank that's... I know you're shaving the wheel well right here. We find a skinny long water tank. Take this whole length.
That could work. the other van looked on the inside. Yeah, that's pretty good. We're at 76 3/4. Go through the floor there. We're at 9 foot, almost on the dot.
Oh, wow. What was the bus at? Like 12 something?
11, 12. Well, 11, no, like 11, 6.